Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi everybody, it's me Dr. Ija. So in this video what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you how we can add quiz into your eLearn at USM. So first of all, you need to log in into your eLearn at USM, and then you may choose a course where you want to add your quiz. Right, let's say I've chosen this course, PGA 103, Teacher, School and Society. Now what I need to do is that I'm going to choose week where I'm going to add the quiz into my course. Right, so let's say I'm going to make a new quiz at this new week at 11 January into 17 January. So instead of showing the date, why not we change the date or the week into the name of your quiz. Okay, so just click on that pencil icon and write down quiz on USM, for example, and then you click enter and it will appear on this week, the name of the quiz. So now we want to create the quiz. Okay, so what we need to do is you have to go to add an activity or resource and then choose activities and click on quiz. You will see this new page, adding a new quiz to quiz on USM. So you may write down the titles of the quiz. Just now we write the titles of the week. Yeah. So my title of the quiz is testing your knowledge on USM, for example. So if you wish to write a description or any simple instruction to your student, you can write it in the space under description. In this case, I want to write, please answer all questions. Thank you. A very simple information or instruction to my student. You can add some more if you want to. And don't forget to click display description on course page so that it will appear or the description will appear on your course page. Now we have to set certain criteria such as timing, where in timing is allow you to enable when you want to open the quiz and when you want to close the quiz. So let's say I allow my student to open the quiz tomorrow, which is 1st of October at 7:48 a.m. and I will allow them to answer for 2 days. So I will open it on the 2nd of October at 7:48 a.m. And let's say if you have certain times limit for your students to answer the quiz, you can put it here in time limit. So let's say I want my students to answer my quiz within 30 minutes only. Or if you want for 10 minutes only, you can put 10 minutes only, which means after 10 minutes, the student can no longer do any attempt of the quiz, yeah? And they cannot submit the quiz after 10 minutes. Okay, so within 10 minutes, they have to complete the quiz and then they have to submit it. Yeah. So when time expires, what happens if the time expires after 10 minutes? Open attempts are submitted automatically. You know, they have, let's say they have 3 questions. Yeah? There are 3 questions that I posted into this quiz and the students only able to answer 2 questions out of the 3 questions within that 10 minutes. So whatever that they have answered, yeah, it will be captured and be submitted automatically. Okay. And as for the grade, we have not graded yet. Yeah, so it's uncategorized. Okay. Attempts I only allow once. Okay, the student can only do 1 attempt for this quiz. And as for the layout, I will allow eLearn to make having every questions in new page. You can set if you want 2 questions in new page, you can do that as well. But I want my layout to have 1 page, 1 questions. As for the question behavior, I would love to shuffle the questions, so this will reduce the process of cheating among the students, because the question will be shuffled and will be different from one student to another student. And then the rest, if you want to add feedback, yeah, if let's say the students contained or answered all questions correctly, you can say well done. Yeah. Okay. And let's say if grade boundary is 50% and they did not manage to get 50%, you can say it is okay. You can read more. It's just some feedback to give them motivation. All right. And then save and return to course. So your quiz is ready on your course page, but we have not added any question yet. This is just a platform or just a platform where the quiz will be uh, held in your eLearn. Okay, you already added quiz in your eLearn, but now we want to add questions into the quiz. So you need to go to the titles of the quiz. You can see that there's no question have been added yet. You can click on edit quiz. And you can see this page where there is no question yet in your quiz. So you can go to add. It's either you can add a new questions, but I would prefer if you add in the question bank because it's already there in the question bank. So let's say I have a question in my question bank. Okay, and I have all the questions in the question bank, but since I have categorized earlier all the questions, so I may choose the questions are under mission and vision of USM. So under mission and vision of USM, I have 2 questions. So I want to take these 2 questions. So add selected question to the quiz. Okay, I selected 2 questions. So the 2 questions is here. So I need to click save. So after it's been saved, you can go back to the quiz, right? You can see that when the student click the quiz, it show all the informations or the instructions regarding the quiz. Attempts allowed only 1. Yeah, I only allow students to attempt only once, and this show the times, the date and the time where the quiz will open and close. Yeah, okay, we open on Thursday 1 and close on the Friday 2nd October. And the time limits for the students to answer is only 10 minutes. Okay, so let's say I want to look at how does my quiz look like. You can go to the gear buttons and you can click on this magnifying glass, which is preview. You can start attempt. So this is how the quiz is going to be look like. So the first question of this particular quiz is maybe different from the others or the other student because I have shuffled the questions. Yeah. So which among the choices is not the value of USM? The answer is quality. Okay. I can go to next page to see the new question because I have set it that one page will have one question. And the second question is the vision of USM is transforming higher education for sustainable tomorrow. Yes, it's definitely true. So I click that answer and finish attempt. So when I click finish attempts, within the time frame, I can always return to attempt. Yeah. Okay, I can always return to attempt and change my answer because I still have time. Okay, so let's say I'm satisfied. Let's say I go to question number 2. Okay, I want to change my answer. You can do that. Yeah, go to next page. Okay, let's say in question number 1, I want to change from quality to truth. Okay, next page. And then I remain true for this question number 2. Finish attempt. So we have the status here for, let's say you have 30 questions. The student can check if the answer have been saved or not, right? And let's say I'm satisfied with my answer. I can go to submit all and finished. So it's appear that I have completed the quiz within 1 minute 37 seconds. I only have one corrected answer. Okay, so I have 50%, 5 out of 10, my grade. And the answer was wrong for truth because the actual answer was quality. So the feedback that I put here, your answer is incorrect. The correct answer is quality. This is set by default. And the correct answer is true. So I'm satisfied with my quiz. I can click finish, review, and I can go back to the course. So we have it here, the quiz. So I hope that this simple tutorial will help you on how you can add quiz into your eLearn after you have either you want to add a new question, or it's either you have already created question in your question bank. Okay, so thank you very much, and I will make more videos on eLearn at USM. Thank you.